Hello, hello, hello. Time to make art with Mrs. M. Today I'm thinking about Valentine's Day. I'm thinking about how to make a very unique card, a card that says that you love someone, cares about someone, and that you think they're special. I want to say, let's get started. I brought out some notebook paper today, and I'm just going to take two sheets from this stack. I'm not going to use all of this. But I want to do a little warm up with you, just in case your cursive is a little rusty or your cursive is non existent. Cursive is not hard to learn. In fact, cursive is quite fun. There are many things that we know about making lines. You have done different kinds of lines in the past with your art teacher in some sort of way. So let's start first with a loopy line. I'm going to use the lines on my paper, and I am going to start just by making loops. A whole long row of loops, just like that. Well, let me bring that closer. Can you see that? Those loops. I just want you to know you have just made a whole row of the lowercase letter e. That's exactly how you write letter E in cursive. Letter E is just a tiny loop, a tiny loop, a tiny loop, just like that. That is letter E. You just did that. Okay, I'm going to blow your mind with this one here. Y'all get ready. I'm going to choose another color just so that you can tell the difference between what I'm doing with one color as opposed to the next, one letter opposed to the next letter. Okay, so this time I'm going to make a very tall loop like this. Tall and skinny. I'm taking my time and making them all, try to make them all look like they're the same. Yes, yes, yes. You have just made the lowercase letter O. L. L. This is L. Lowercase letter L. Okay. Next, let's try making this wave like this. You curve over and come back down. Now, this, you just made lowercase letter C. But what I want you to do after you make that C, I want you to come down and around, up and connect. Down and around, up and connect. Go up, come down and around, up and connect. If you do that, make that C shape, come up, touch and connect. You have just made O. Letter O. Wow, just that fast. You have E, L, C, and O. So let's try something else. I think I'll use black. Next, I'm going to do a wavy line. Wavy line. My paper is slanted, and so is my wavy line. So after you've done that wavy line, I'm going to say, do your wavy line, come up and kick to the side. Do a short wavy line, curve it up, curve it down, back up, and kick to the side. You are making lowercase letter V. So that was practice for letter V, lowercase letter V. Now, you are going to want to write words once you know a little cursive. And I have the perfect word. The word is going to be love. L O. My V is going to be connected up here. V. And my E is going to be connected to the V like that with a little loop. L, long loop. O. My V comes down, up. Give a kick to the side and make that loop for the E right inside. Love. L O V E. V E. All right. That was a little cursive practice because I wanted to show you how to make a card that I think is lovely and beautiful like this. And not only is it rainbow colored, but it says love, 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 love. And then you could write something nice inside. So let's try that. Let's take a piece of paper, fold it in half. If you notice, I wrote love 2 different ways, but all of my loves start with a line that comes in from the left, and then it forms the letters, and then it exits on the right. I'm going to do cursive love first, and then box letter love. All right, I think I want to use my fatter markers too, since I'm not doing cursive right now. So here we go. Let's do cursive love. I'm going to start on the left. I'm going to come in, and then I'm going to do my big loop. And then I'll do O, V, E to the end. All right. Here we go again. I'll come in from the left, make my tall letter O, L, O, V, E to the end. Love, love, love. All right, let's choose another color. L, O, V, E, love. I think I'll do it one more time. L, O, V, E, love. At the bottom, I'll add love with box letters. Okay, so I come straight in, straight up, short line to the right, long line down, but not all the way down, short line to the right, and down. And I keep it even with that line I started with. Okay, I make a short line to the right, and then I'm going to curve back and around like I'm making a heart. But when I come down, I don't let it touch. Keep going to the right. Okay, leaning line to the left, up and to the left, straight to the right, down to the right. Not all the way down. Lean up to the right, tiny straight line to the right, and then come down. Straight line to the right. I want it to be far enough away that it's not going to interfere with the V. Straight up to the right, tiny line down, little line to the left, straight line down just a little bit, to the right, short line down, back to the left, straight line down, short line to the right, and a little teeny line down, and then straight to the end of the paper. That takes concentration. You gotta think about what you're doing. It might help to draw with a pencil first. It might. It might help to draw with a pencil first and then go back over it with marker, crayon, or whatever you choose to use. All right, this last one's going to be red. Up, right, down, right, down, right, heart, right, V, right, E. Either way you say it, love is something beautiful. Any way you write it, it is something beautiful. Well, that was an opportunity for you to practice your cursive. Maybe you opt to write love with just the block letters going all the way down. But either way, it's something fun and easy and cool that you can do. Share with someone, give to someone, and spread some love. That was fun. Thanks for watching. Come back and we'll make more cool stuff together.